Alright, so Paragis, its scientific name is Elusive indica. And kasama po siya sa family ng Poaceae, no? So, yung si Poaceae, ito po isang grass family. Kumbaga, kapatid siya ng barley, ng oatmeal, pero very unique siya kasi it is very resilient. Kumbaga, kaya siya sikat sa Philippines kasi tropical ang country natin, so makikita din talaga natin siya anywhere. Pero as time goes by, no, talagang madami ng studies natin regarding Paragis na meron itong mga natural antioxidant properties.
And of course, in the Philippines, Paragis or goosegrass, another term for Paragis is goosegrass, is very accessible to us. Philippines is number 2 when it comes to producing natural Paragis itself.
Wow, so it's really popular here in the Philippines. And we can see that on a regular basis. But is it something that we chance upon that we don't really realize? What do you guys say?
Actually, kasi when it comes to Paragis, kailangan din natin i-consider na we're living in the toxic world. So yung minerals na makukuha natin, kailangan din natin tingnan. No? Kaya nakakatuwa kasi very pure, natural yung product natin.
So, do you want to add Nurse Jen?
Yes. And it's also, since it's accessible to every Filipinos here, we really like to reiterate that please make sure if you want to use the Paragis grass that we can found somewhere down the road, sa tabi lang po ng bahay natin, please make sure na malinis siya, thoroughly cleansed. Kasi tapos yung proper Paragis na, meron kasi we have 2 types. Diba? Meron isa na medyo quote-unquote poisonous siya, as meron namang iba na talagang merong herbal benefits. So that's why we need to make sure that if we are using the Paragis grass, both at home, dapat po yung tamang Paragis, and then we clean it as much as possible.
Yes, kasi of course, yung nakakatuwa. Kasi, alam nyo, yung mga nagtatanim nito, talagang kaya na-make sure natin na matataas pa rin sa mineral composition yung Paragis na iniinom natin dito sa Chef Ives.
Oh, that's so nice. And guys, I think with Chef Ives, it takes away the guesswork. Sabi nyo nga, Nurse Jen, na may poisonous at meron talagang healthy herbs. So, alam naman natin dito guys that we're in good hands. But I think a common question that we see on the internet is, may scientific backing ba ang claims ng Paragis tea benefits? What are the benefits? What's the scientific backing for this?
Okay, actually may mga laboratory studies na rin tayo dito ng mga phytochemical screenings about Paragis. And it says that when it comes to tea, meron siya mga diuretic properties. So, of course, nakakatulong siya sa may mga kidney problem, Kasi po, every time na nag-take tayo ng tea, at least twice a day, 30 minutes after meals. Pero according to studies, mas nakukuha natin ito kapag merienda natin siya tinitake. So, kapag po nag-take tayo ng Chef Ives Paragis Herbal Tea, nababawasan yung excess sodium and water sa loob ng katawan. Kaya nakakatulong siya sa may matataas ang blood pressure, and at the same time, even sa may mga kidney stones din. Kasi alam niyo po ngayon, ang dami ng nag-take ng mga sugary drinks pero that's why we should be mindful sa mga iniinom natin. At kaya nakakatuwa kasi meron Chef Ives Paragis, makakatulong po sa ating overall health. Aside from that, may mga screenings na rin tayo dyan. May mga antimicrobial effects din ang ating Paragis. So basically, nakakatulong siya para mabawasan or ma-kill yung mga certain kinds of microorganisms, yung mga bacteria natin, katulad ng mga Staphylococcus aureus, yung mga nakakatulong dito para mabawasan yung mga yeast infections, And at the same time, yung mga antioxidant properties. So kapag may antioxidant properties, kasama na rin dito yung mga anti-cancer, yung prevention pa rin.
Wow, dami pa ng benefits, And yun na nga, as a victim of sugary drinks, I don't know, are there people here who love to drink sugary drinks? Can I get a raise of hands? Ayan, diba, nakaka-relate tayo. Nurse Jen, nanita kita dyan. So, what are the benefits of taking Paragis naman? Nurse Jen, do you want to start off?
Let me just add dun sa clinical trials kasi I would like to thank Chef Ives personally because she has tasked me to do a research about this. Tapos, nag-research tayo, maraming studies for us to give you guys, yung mga gagamit, yung mga may encourage natin gumamit, ng Chef Ives Paraguis Herbal Tea and Capsule. Madami akong na-stumble upon na very resourceful, very useful, but can I just reiterate 3 studies? Sinulat ko po yan dito. Number 1 po, we have a study called A Comprehensive Review of Eleusine Indica. This is about the phytochemical composition, morphology, and anatomy. This was published in the International Journal of Environmental Science. This focused on the contains of bioactive compounds that helps, dun sa na-mention ni Doc Kit kanina, when it comes to antioxidant and everything, it really helps. So this will be available. The study about this is available already in the office natin. Number 2, I would like to iterate is the study about the isolates for Eleusine Indica. This is by the Department of Pharmacy in the UST. Okay, ang i-relate lang natin dito is the study shows that certain fractions from this plant can inhibit enzymes which involve and helps in the inflammatory factor. So, kung meron po kayong mga nararamdaman, for example, masakit ang ulo, namamanhid, nangangalay, tapos may mga namamaga, yung bukol and everything, it can really help those individuals na nakakaranas po ng ganyan. It's because the anti-inflammatory factor, di ba, usually sa lahat po ng nasa room na ito, pag sumasakit po or may sumasakit sa inyo, yung ulo ninyo, ano yung common na ginagawa natin, di ba? Inom agad tayo ng paracetamol, generic na po yan, ha? Para hindi tayo paracetamol. But the paracetamol itself has an anti-inflammatory factor, kaya po nakakawala siya ng sakit ng ulo. Chef Ives Paraguis Herbal Tea and Capsule, or Paraguis in general, can give you an anti-inflammatory effect, kaya po nakakatulong siya sa atin. And last study po, this is my favorite kasi marami pong nagtatanong sa ano ba talaga yung itsura ng Paraguis that can help us. Kasi meron pong Paraguis, hindi ko lang alam kung nakikita niyo po, baka green lang po yung background natin. Yun pong Paraguis na nakikita natin on the rice field nung maliliit pa tayo, yung maraming bulaklak, yung maraming bunga, okay? Phytochemical screening and antibacterial activity of Eleusine Indica by Dr. Patricia Calenti way back 2009. This study extracts from leaf and flowers of Paraguis inhibit foodborne bacteria and other bacteria that may cause harm to the body. So for example, kayo po, mahilig po tayo. Alam niyo po yung H. pylori na tinatawag doon. Yung H. pylori kasi, it's a bacteria that can be ingested kapag nahulog na po yung pagkain sa labang o di kaya may tinatawag tayong fecal oral. Tama po ba doon? Yung fecal oral natin, pag pinulot natin yung pagkain natin tapos nakain pa ulit natin, it can cause an E. coli bacteria growth sa sikmura natin, which Paraguis can really help inhibit, destroy, kill, and weaken para po ma-flush out ng katawan natin. So, when it comes to your question, Miss Host, Miss Beautiful Host, is Chef Ives Paraguis Herbal Tea and Capsule OPC is backed, or the Paraguis itself is backed by trials and clinical trials and studies? Yes, definitely.
Ang ganda pa kasi may listahan talaga si Nurse Jel. At least we can do our own research as well if you want to do that at home. But we have our experts right here to talk about, you know, all of our questions and such. So, Doc Keith, this you mentioned that it's better to take after merienda or after food. Is this safe to drink every day, or are there certain age groups na dapat uminom ng Paraguis?
Okay, so as I have mentioned earlier, no, ang gusto ko po kasi prevention pa rin. It's always better than cure pa rin, no? So, Paraguis is considered, no, as a preventive cure pa rin pagdating po sa iba't ibang klase ng sakit. Huwag po kayong matatakot, no, na mag-take itong ating Chef Ives dahil unang-una, FDA approved po ito, no? Talagang pinag-aralan din po iyan ng ating mga scientists and even yung mga studies rin po natin. And bago din po kasi talaga ako share, no, or kaya po mag-yes sa isang brand, talagang pinag-aaralan ko rin po yun. Kung saan nanggaling, no, kung paano siya pinaprocess. And nandito po yun, yung trust ko, na makakatulong din naman po ito sa ating lahat. So, at the same time, kasi halaman po ito, so herbal ito. In a way, talagang bigay ibinibigay sa atin ito ni Lord. And that's why hindi po dapat matakot. As long as bago din po kayo mag-take, mas maganda po, lalo na kung meron kayong hypertension o kaya meron kayong diabetes, mas maganda rin magpakonsulta din po muna kayo sa inyong mga personal doctors kung kayo po ay mag-take nito na ferrite passage na naman po.
And sa tanong po ni Ms. Rose, kung ilang taon yung pwede pong gumamit nito, usually 7 years old pababa, hindi po muna pwede. Okay? So now, para masabi ko kung sino-sino yung pwede pong mag-take o sumubok ng Chef Ives Paragus Protein Capsule, I would like to ask the crowd or the audience, araw-araw po ba kayong naliligo? Ay, ako lang sumasagot, parang walang naliligo.
Parang nahiya kami eh.
Parang walang naliligo? Oo. Let me ask again. Araw-araw po ba kayong naliligo?
Yes!
Because the purpose of taking a bath is for us to mas malinis. Malinis tayo, gumanda tayo, and everything. But, for example, ako, 33 lang ako. Ibig sabihin yan, 33 years na ako pinapaliguan, naliligo, but that's just superficial. Paano kung yung body mo as 33 years mo na siyang ginagamit, kumakain ka, mamamanti ka, and everything, lahat ng bawal, alcohol, and everything. So yung loob ng katawan mo, hindi mo naman siya pwedeng paliguan, tama? Hindi ka naman pwedeng uminom ng Sonrox, di ba? So, what Paragus will do, what Chef Ives Paragus will do, is that for you. Take a bath inside. Yung yung loob ng katawan mo, your organs, papaliguan niya sa pamamagitan ng detox and cleansing. Now, you're asking po kung sino yung mga tao na pwedeng gumamit nito. 7 years old pababa, pwede. But, as long as buhay ka, kung 95 ka na, 100, 200, 300, basta nakakalunong ka pa, pwede ka pong gumamit. Again, please do consult our health professionals bago po kayo gumamit. But, again, it's your discretion. Okay? Tapos, sabayan niyo po siya ng healthy lifestyle, proper diet and healthy lifestyle para mas ma-reach natin yung optimum effect na kailangan natin at gusto natin. Tama pa po?
Yes. So speaking of healthy lifestyle, how do we integrate it kaya into our everyday life? How do we maximize the benefits of Paragus?
So, actually, number one ko dyan, palagi kong binabanggit din sa mga pasyente ko, na number one is, kailangan nating ma-manage din yung stress, no? Kasi hindi lang siya about sa diet and lifestyle, eh. Kasama na yun, no? Mas ma-maximize talaga natin yung paggamit ng Chef Ives kapag ka po tama yung diet natin. Like, for example, talagang less tayo sa white, like white sugar, white milk, white flour, white rice. And then kapag ka-active ang lifestyle, nandito na yun, no? Kaya lang kasi in this modern society, talagang kailangan din natin i-manage yung stress natin, no? Kahit anong age pa yan. Kasi alam niyo po, kahit anong klase ng sakit, simpleng sakit lang ng ulo yan, sakit ng tiyan hanggang sa pinakamalala, katulad ng cancer, laging kasama yung stress, no? Kaya po, isa yun sa paraan para po mas mabilis din natin ma-absorb, mas, kumbaga makuha natin yung benefits ng Chef Ives.
Ako personally, how we can include it in our day-to-day activity. For example, me, I'm a transplant nurse. So, pagka nakikita ko nang nakabukas yung pasyente or alam ko nang ita-transplant, I know that particular person, hindi siya nag-ingat sa kidney niya. Okay? So ako, the daily, I really make sure, since ako, pag nasa OR na ako, hindi ako pwedeng ihi ng ihi. Tama? So that's why, thankful talaga ako nung nagkaroon na ng capsule.
Okay,
Kasi,
perfect!
Oo, iinom ka na lang. Before, kasama ko po sa Chef Ives way back May 2017, this started. This was created on the soul home of the woman at the back. Yung naka-green po, si Lola. Oo, yung bahay niya po ang naging saksi kung paano nabuo ni Chef Ives itong Ilo. Okay? Nandun po ako, and then I decided, sabi ko puro siya, ihi ako ng ihi, hindi ako makatrabaho. So, once the Chef Ives created already the capsule, super thankful kasi ako, bago mag-duty, iinom muna ako 2 capsules every morning, tapos pag-uwi, 2 capsules bago matulog. But, lagi kong sinasabi, if you are experiencing gastroesophageal reflux disease or acid, make sure pwede naman siya 30 minutes after meals para hindi makasim yung tikura mo. But if you're not acidic naman, pwede naman yan before meals. So again, kung paano ko i-incorporate sa life ko, it's your choice. Choice nyo ba na maging healthy? Choice nyo ba na maging good yung katawan ninyo? Eh, wala na akong choice. Gusto ko. So that's why, tinatake ko siya.
And it all starts with one decision, yung lifestyle.